The first drawn animation in film, Humorous Phases of Funny Faces, is a silent cartoon by J. Stuart Blackton released in 1906. It features a cartoonist drawing faces on a chalkboard with the faces coming to life. Humorous Phases of Funny Faces. A man spat a cigar ring at his girlfriend, who rolled her eyes. He was painting a gentleman of a slightly portly figure. He had a hat on his head and was playing with an umbrella. The smiling profile of an old couple, they looked at each other. This is a circus clown dancing with a hat and a cuddle. The lion cub next to him jumped to his shoulder with his arm.